On Sunday the 19th of July, 2026, the FIFA World Cup final takes place at MetLife Stadium in New Jersey, the single most watched sporting event on the planet. Spain face Argentina in a final between the reigning champions of Europe and South America, a contest between two of the greatest footballing nations in history. Spain reached the final with a dominant 2-0 victory over France, conceding just one goal in 7 matches across the entire tournament, one of the greatest defensive performances in World Cup history. Argentina came back from 1-0 down against England in the last 2 minutes of the semifinal to reach their 3rd World Cup final in just 12 years. Which country do you think will lift the FIFA World Cup trophy on Sunday?